Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, what's up? My name is vianney.strick. Thank you so much for being here. As you guys can see by the title, today we're going to be talking about my monthly favorites. I do have some skincare, makeup, as well as some accessories to show you guys, so I hope that you guys enjoy. And if you do enjoy this video, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to join my squad. Let's get into it. Can you believe it's already the end of the month of May? Crazy how fast the year goes by. I know that's like the most cliche thing ever, but it's true. Let's get started with some skincare products. Two products that I've been obsessed with. Let's start out with a newish cleanser from Glow Recipe. This is the Glow Recipe Avocado Ceramide Moisture Barrier Cleanser. So it is supposed to be nourishing, and it's also a makeup removing cleanser. I personally always use an oil-based cleanser to remove my makeup before I wash my face, but this took me by surprise. Obviously, it is $28, so it's a high-end cleanser, but I will say it does come with 5 ounces, 150 milligrams, and okay, the number one thing about this cleanser that I first was shocked by is the fact that a little goes such a long way. It is kind of runny, so I do wish it wasn't a pump because I always get too much product. I will say though, like a pea-sized amount is already more than enough. I don't know what it is about this, but it is just like it's weird because it's liquidy, but once you like rub it in your hands, it's like thicker and denser, and it does lather on the face really well. What I like about this too is obviously the ingredients, which is like the most important thing. And it says it's good for redness, uneven texture, it's hydrating, it's good for dryness, and you can use it for dry combo and normal skin. Now, I actually did mess up my skin barrier maybe it was last year, and I got perioral dermatitis, and you guys know I do use like tretinoin, and I like to use my actives, and so I do have to kind of be careful not to like mess up that skin barrier again. It actually includes ceramides, which will help support the skin barrier and again reduce redness and add hydration. It has prebiotics and postbiotics, so that's going to help balance the skin. And then it also has colloidal oatmeal and avocado oil for hydration, soothing, and nurturing. So like I said, I know it's like a higher end product, but I will say if you are interested in just what the formula is, I do think it's worth your money because a little bit goes such a long way. Like this will last you a very long time. Okay, and then the other skincare product, I don't know, I'm not like a non-believer, but when I first heard of this, I thought it was completely unnecessary, but then I looked more into it and I got it, and this is what I'm talking about. This is the Clean Skin Club Clean Towels. As you guys can see, about 8 more of them, and I bought the 50 pack. So these are face towels to essentially dry your face after you wash your face. You can also use it to take off masks. You can also use it to like wash off your makeup. And I understand that they're disposable towels, but they are biodegradable, so definitely better than not. This is how big they are. I got the XL, and you guys, I love it. So the reason why I got it in the first place is because I've always had decent skin, but I'm trying to like perfect my skin. And I did read up on how when you're using a towel that number one could be dirty, has bacteria from being in your bathroom, maybe someone used it to like you know, dry their hands, and also whatever detergent you use, it's also going on your face. So something this gentle and without bacteria, without scent, no fragrance, no nothing, has been so nice. And now I feel like I'm addicted. Like now, even when I travel, I grab a couple of these for how many days I'm going to be gone, because now I don't want to use other people's towels. I don't want to use hotel towels. This is so gentle on your skin, and again, it's just the cleanest, best way to dry your skin. So anyways, I understand that not everybody needs this. I get it if you think it's stupid, but just know that if you've been thinking about it, I really enjoy them. Okay, moving on, let's quickly talk about a lip oil that I did talk about recently, but I've had it for a couple weeks now and I love it. This is the Essence Cranberry Lip Oil. This is everything that I wanted in like a daily lip product. Number one, it's Essence, so it's extremely affordable. Number two, it has a pink tint. It's like a medium pigment. If you guys want to see this in action, check out my second to last video. It's a lip oil. everybody loves a lip oil, right? So, and this is actually like, it actually feels like a lip oil. Like it doesn't feel like a gloss. It's very nourishing. And then one of the best parts about it is that it also leaves a stain. I love it. It smells really nice. It looks beautiful and I'm obsessed with it. So if you guys want to try it out, definitely try it out. The only thing I would change about it is just, I wish it was a little bit thicker. Like I said, it really truly feels like an oil. I just wish it was a little thicker, just because I would want like the shiny glossiness to last longer. But I will say the tint does last a pretty long time, and it's a really beautiful tint. So honestly, because of the price and everything about it, I just put it in my bag and I just touch up during the day, and I love it. It's super easy. So all you really have to do is take it out of your bag, grab your phone, and touch up. You're probably wondering why I'm using my phone to touch up, and that's because I have a mirrored phone case. So thank you to Casetify for sponsoring this portion of the video. I have a new phone case and it is beautiful. It actually has my name on it, and as you guys can see, it's also a mirror. And of course, it's like extremely protective. So let me tell you guys a little bit of details of Casetify. So if you didn't know, Casetify is the world's most popular tech accessory brand, and it's actually known for their protective phone cases and global collaborations. I've been loving my mirror phone case. Obviously, because it's mirrored, it's gonna go with everything. It's also super sleek, super beautiful. You can customize it. Again, it's protective. Who doesn't want their phone case to actually help them touch up their makeup on the go? And the cherry on top is that you actually can see yourself when someone's taking a picture of you, so that really helps out. Here are some of the cases that they sent me. As you guys can see, there are so many different options to customize your cases. There's so many different finishes. It really is like a reflection of your own style. And of course, a case like this is like the best solution for everyday protection of your phone. It actually provides up to 4.9 feet drop height. It is wireless and MagSafe charging compatible, and of course it's optional protection while maintaining the sleek look. I will say the protection is actually sustainable. It is made with 50% recycled material, so we love that. They actually have a lot of really beautiful cases to choose from, but of course you can customize your own if you want. It's super easy. All you have to do is go on the website, and it really makes it super clear for you for how to do it, different fonts, colors, anything like that, and that's how I actually came up with my two phone cases that I customized. Overall, I've just been really enjoying these phone cases because I always want to protect my phone. I am so clumsy, but some of the cases out there that protect your phone are they're just not as pretty as these and not as customizable. So I just love that you can have both sleekness and protection all in one. I'm obsessed. So if you guys want to make your own purchase at Casetify, definitely use this link right here to give you guys a discount. Again, that is casetify.com/vianney.strick. And of course, I will definitely link and put everything in the description, any details that you guys might need, and just leave me a comment if you guys have any questions. So thank you to Casetify for sponsoring this portion of the video. I really appreciate it. So when it comes to makeup, this one was definitely a bit of a shock. So I actually did a video trying out a bunch of products from Jones Road Beauty, and the product that I didn't think would actually surprised me the most, which is surprising, of course. This is actually the Jones Road The Face Pencil, Le Crayon Visage. I actually have the shade 7. So you're probably like, wait, what is so cool about this pencil? Honestly, everything. Number one, that it's a pencil. The fact that like you can carry makeup around like this on a stick is so easy, so convenient. So this is like a multi-use stick. You can actually use it as concealer. You can use it to correct. I guess you could use it also as foundation. I personally love this because number one, it is super lightweight, like super lightweight. It has a very natural finish. It's not dewy, but it's not matte. It's like the perfect amount. It blends out very easily. I like to use it as like my concealer, and I blend it out with my finger. And I will say this is one of the first concealers that I've ever truly loved without setting it. It also is pretty with powder on top, but on the days that maybe you actually want to have like undetectable makeup, this is so awesome. And on the days that you do just want to have some makeup on, but you don't want it to be as heavy, this is also awesome. I understand that this looks very small. It does have 2.9 grams, but a little bit goes a long way. I've used this pencil many times and I haven't sharpened it from the day that I got it. So as you guys can see, like we still have a good amount of point and product. And again, it's just so easy. If you're looking into Jones Road Beauty and you're looking into what products to purchase, definitely watch that video that I posted. But I will say, out of all those products, this is definitely my favorite. Let's move on to eyeshadows. So this month, my favorite eyeshadow palette that I tried is actually from Alter Ego. I did try it out in a video for you guys. First of all, look at this packaging. Like, so beautiful. It is the Coastal palette by Alter Ego, and let me just say, it is magical. You guys know I am a neutral girl at heart, but when I ended up playing with this palette, it made me want to just look like a mermaid, a fairy, literally euphoria, anything. So Alter Ego makes very, very inexpensive palettes, and a lot of them look a lot like high-end palettes, of course for a fraction of the price, and I will say their formula is so good. I can't even describe to you guys how stunning these shades are. My favorite shade that I used that day is actually this shade right here. Again, it does not do it justice. The amount of like duochromes in this palette is insane. As you guys can see, there is a mixture of like mattes, shimmers, metallics. There's even this essentially like a glittery Vaseline type deal, but I will say this actually works pretty well as like a base for a shimmer shadow if you want to make it a little bit more intense. This whole palette is just 10 out of 10, so if you're looking for colors like this, I do think colors like this are perfect for spring anyways. Check out this palette. I do have an affiliate coupon code. You don't have to use it, but if you want to, I'll just leave it right here. But this has definitely been just like the most beautiful palette I've tried all month long. So moving on, I did do a video trying out a bunch of like SHEGLAM makeup, and I have to say that video went super well. If you guys are interested in some good affordable products, definitely go watch that video. But the standout product for me were definitely these lipsticks. I have never used anything like it. It is a lipstick that I'm wearing right now. I'm wearing the shade Gotcha. First of all, packaging 10 out of 10, beautiful, stunning, beautiful nudes. And let me just explain. I have never felt anything like this. So this is actually a matte lipstick. And hear me out, okay? Hear me out. When you apply it on your lips, it almost feels like water, almost like a watery lip balm. And it makes you think that it's gonna be like a very shiny, lustrous type of lipstick, but it's not. It's like the thinnest, watery consistency. It gives you full pigment in one swipe. And then once it dries, which is actually very quickly, it turns into this like super matte lipstick. Transfer proof. It almost gives the vibe of like a liquid lipstick that's matte, that's dried down, except it's in a tube form and it applies super easy, and it's a very, very thin coat, and it just looks really, really nice. I'm just like shocked at this formula. Like, also the shades are beautiful, the packaging is beautiful, but the formula is insane. If you guys have tried these, let me know, and let me know if I'm crazy or not, because I just can't get over this. I really can't. And sticking to matte liquid lipsticks, I don't know why this is like the month of matte lips for me, but I am very pleasantly surprised by the Milani Stay Put liquid lip. I don't know if this is true or if I made it up in my head, but I think Milani used to have like other matte liquid lipsticks, and for what I remember, I think they were like very drying, like most matte liquid lipsticks are. But these are not. I actually got all the shades from Milani, and I truly just tried it in a video just to see what it would look like. I did not expect to actually like it this much. It is a matte liquid lipstick that will dry and look just like this, but it still has a little bit of give. Like, it's not so drying that it feels chalky or looks chalky. I don't know what it is about the formula, but it does dry down. It is transfer proof, but there's just like a little bit of give to where it's not uncomfortable. Of course, it is going to be a liquid lipstick, so if you don't like matte, then definitely don't buy it. But if you love the look and the longevity of a matte liquid lipstick, but you don't like how dry it feels, try these out. And of course, it's like super inexpensive. My favorite shade is Iconic, but they do have a bunch of different shades to choose from. Let me add it on right here to the SHEGLAM lipstick. I will say, believe it or not, this Milani formula is a little less drying than the SHEGLAM one, which was surprising, but honestly, like, they're both super, super nice. I'm thinking about maybe filming a short or a TikTok, Instagram reel, trying out a bunch of these shades. If you guys want to see some like lip swatches, let me know. And the last product I want to talk to you guys about is definitely the newest product that I've tried, but I just can't believe how much I really did love it. So this is obviously like brand spanking new from e.l.f. This is the e.l.f. Suntouchable SPF 45 sunscreen setting spray. You can also use it as a primer, but I truly believe you get more coverage of sunscreen if you use like just like a regular sunscreen. I do love their Whoa Glow sunscreen if you guys want to try that. But as a setting spray, this is so nice because really the main reason is that it's lightweight it dries quickly and it doesn't change the finish of your makeup. I love the idea of like protecting my skin throughout the day, even when I have a full face of makeup, but a lot of these like SPF setting sprays can like break apart your makeup, make your face super greasy, super dewy, or even just like add too much product to where it just takes forever to like dry and then you have to like repowder. This is not it. So let me show you guys. I wanted to show you guys in action if you haven't seen the video where I tried it. But the spray is like super, super fine. Do you guys see anything on my face? I don't. Like, I don't. I also don't really feel anything on my face. The only like cons that I will say, number one, I thought the bottle would be a little bit bigger, so I do wish there was more product in it. And then also, it does have a slight scent of alcohol. If you hate that, keep that in mind. I personally prefer that over a scent of sunscreen. I just don't love the scent of sunscreen. This doesn't really smell like sunscreen, so I prefer the slight alcohol scent, but it goes away. I don't even smell it right now, and as you guys can see, like my makeup feels and looks the same. It doesn't change anything, and of course, normally I would just apply a lot more, but we're inside and I'm not going anywhere. Alrighty guys, so those are the products that I have for you guys this month. I hope that you guys enjoyed them. I will definitely link everything down below for you guys. Make sure to check all those products out, and of course, if you're interested in Casetify, definitely check the description as well. Thank you guys so much for everything. I love you guys so much. Thank you for all the support. If it wasn't for you guys, I wouldn't get to work with such amazing brands. So just thank you guys for watching, liking, subscribing, commenting. I truly, truly appreciate it. I hope that you guys had the best month ever, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!